So you're noticing some strange signs around your home. Sights, sounds, smells, and the strangeness extends to all senses. What on earth could be causing it? Don't panic. The fix could be simpler than you think. To see if your home is showing signs it could use a duct cleaning, stay tuned. Hello everyone, welcome back to the Homeowner's Handbook. I'm Chad Peterman. Last week, we covered the top benefits of a whole home duct cleaning. This week, we will share the top signs that a duct cleaning might be beneficial to your home. First up is if you're in need of a fresh start. When remodeling or when buying a new home is an excellent time to get a duct cleaning. When moving into a new place, you often have no idea how the previous owners lived or what could be in the ducts. And when remodeling, dust and other materials can often build up quickly. It's always nice to have a fresh start and doesn't get much fresher than starting with clean ducts. Next is if you're seeing mold growing on your vents or in your system. This one is probably the most dangerous sign and should be addressed as soon as possible. A duct cleaning is a crucial first step, but if you're seeing that much mold growth, further steps should be taken to prevent it from returning. Don't worry, we can help with that too. Finally, is if you're noticing strange and persistent smells. It could be coming from your ducts if you're detecting musty or unpleasant smells that won't seem to go away no matter how much you clean. Try and see if the scent is stronger around your vents or only appears to be present or get worse when the system is running. If it does, it's probably time to give us a call. That's our show. What do you think? Are you in need of a duct cleaning? If so, give us a call. We'd be happy to help you. Thanks for watching and come back again for even more from the Homeowner's Handbook.